everyone, it's Nicole. Welcome back to my channel. Today I am doing a what I got for my birthday haul. So I have done one of these previously, but I haven't done them like religiously each year, but I just thought, why not? Let me share what I got. I'm very excited. So getting straight into it, this is super random, but if you live in Australia, you will kind of like understand these. So this whole bag is full of those Woolworths, what are they called? Pots of fun for everyone. They're the little like veggies and flowers that you can grow when you get, like when you spend a certain amount shopping in Woolworths, you get these. Full. So I have literally started planting them. Love that. I was like so not expecting that, obviously, but I'm super into my veggie garden, so I love that. I got a couple of these. So these are just a sparkling Moscato. I haven't tried these, so I can't like tell you if they're good or not, but super cute packaging. Love that. These, oh my god, this is like probably one of my favorite presents. These are Bulldog Pajamas. How cute. Like, are you kidding? I am obsessed with anything to do with French Bulldogs, and I love these like so much. So again, if you're in Australia, these are from Target. Obsessed. The tag said that they were $39. But yeah, absolutely love them. These are like a 3/4 length, and then this is like a short sleeve button-up shirt. Oh my god, love. Absolutely love. I got a sleeping mask, which I've been sort of curious about these because I need it to be dark to fall asleep at the moment. I don't know what's going on, but it's a little bit uncomfortable, but I actually kind of like it as well. So very excited to have received that. To go with the sleeping mask, I was gifted these slippers. These are just koalas. These are from Target, and I haven't actually purchased slippers from Target before, and these are so super soft, and like in winter these are going to be amazing. But I also love the sole of these is quite like, you can walk outside in these, so super cute. I am very much into skincare. I love it. Obviously, if you've seen other videos on my channel, I love like trying new things and, you know, seeing what products are coming out and all of that. So I did say specifically, if you don't know what to buy me, just get me skincare. A couple of things. So this is the Flora Indulgence. This is a body lotion and a body scrub, which looks super nice. Just a little gift pack. And then she gave me this box with a little dog on it. Of course, I am dog obsessed. And it's just full of like different skincare, which I will definitely be reviewing. So this is the Asano Vitamin C Brightening, which I want to try vitamin C stuff. So perfect. Very excited. She got me 3 different sheet masks. So we have the hydrating sheet mask, rich moisture sheet mask, and the de-stress sheet mask. Then I asked for some things from The Ordinary. So I was actually gifted this for Christmas as well, but it's all good because this stuff I actually really like. The difference that it's made in my skin already, insane. I really like it. There may be a review up on my channel. If not, I think I'll do a second review because my reviews are like sort of first impressions, and then I've decided when I finish different products, I'm going to do a final thoughts type thing, I think. Just like, yeah, how exactly I feel after using the whole product. So excited for that. And then the last thing, this is from Priceline. It's called the Hottest in Beauty, and it just gives you different things that you can try. So it's got here the Bioderma, what is it? Let me open it. I can't actually tell. Okay. So this, the Bioderma micellar water, I believe this is. Yep, micellar water. This is the Olay Mist Ultimate Hydration Essence. So this is in calming, aloe leaf and chamomile extract. So I think this is just like a face spray. This is the Thin Lizzy Perfectly Primed Pore Minimizing Primer. Definitely need a new primer. And then this is the John Frieda Miracle Hair Drops Hair Mask. So I actually don't really have many hair masks, so I'm excited for that. And that's all in the skincare. And the last gift that I got was from my husband. So very, very lucky to get this. So it's the 40mm SE silver Apple Watch, which looks like this. So I have done a separate video on this. If it's not out, it will be out soon. And that is everything. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. As always, I will see you in my next video very soon. Thanks again. Bye.